Hi guys, Sandy from So Easy by Sandy here, and today we are making what I believe is the easiest and quickest quilt block to make ever. You know, apart from just cutting squares and sewing them together, of course. In fact, we will be making 2 quilt blocks in just 4 steps. It just doesn't get more quick and easy than this. Now, the 9-patch quilt block is very versatile. You know, you can use just 2 fabrics or you can use 1 fabric for each patch if you want, in which case you just need to make more strips. You can also add a white patch, which I love doing because I think that using white really allows your eyes to focus on the colorful fabrics. Also, don't forget to press the seams between steps to make sure all your cuts are sharp and precise, okay? Okay, I promised you 4 steps and I meant it. Here we go. First step, cut 6 strips of fabric 3-inch wide and at least 9-inch long. But I suggest you add a little bit more length for some wiggle room. Second step, sew 3 strips together and repeat it for the other 3 strips. Press those seams. Third step, cut 3 new strips from the 1 block like so. Do it again for the second block. Step 4. Sew the new strips together again like so. Press the seams for the new block and that's it. Your 2 new blocks are done. Now make as many more blocks as you wish. Not only are they easy to make, but they're also a lot of fun. Do you agree? Okay, please don't forget to leave me a comment below letting me know what you thought of this video. You know, I'm just starting this channel and could really use your feedback. Or just to say hi. I will see you soon. Bye bye!